Dr. Shubha Kesari, Chief Dermatologist, Naipunya Aesthetic Clinic, JP Nagar, Bengaluru. Let's discuss the causes of pigmentation on the face. The most common causes could be as simple as an accumulated sun tan. The second most common cause is inflammatory conditions of the skin like acne, allergies and eczemas which leave behind pigmentation. It could be because of melasma, which is a particular mask-like pigmentation that occurs on the cheeks and the nose, which could be genetic in nature and also because of hormonal changes. The fourth most common cause of facial pigmentation could be metabolic in nature, wherein because of hormonal resistance, insulin resistance, polycystic ovaries, there can be a thickening of the skin and pigmentation of the skin as well. Pigmentation can also occur as a result of allergies to certain substances that are commonly used on the face or on the scalp like hair colors, perfumes and fragrances. So pigmentation problems on the face includes so many causes that it requires a thorough evaluation to come to a proper diagnosis in order to handle them in the correct way. How to handle these pigmentary conditions? First is get into a good skincare regime, which would include the proper use of a sunscreen, a good moisturizer and a cleanser appropriate for the skin type, and depending on the pigmentary issue, certain skin lightening agents will be added into your skincare regime. But sometimes the pigmentation can be stubborn and we need to resort to our procedural treatments to get rid of the pigmentation. These would include chemical peels, laser skin toning. The Q-Switch Nd:YAG laser is used for laser skin toning, and sometimes in certain conditions PRP injections will also be beneficial. So it is important to consult a good dermatologist, get your pigmentation condition evaluated and seek the appropriate treatment.